Hello guys, this is DIGADO and today I'm going to show you how cybersecurity people or cybersecurity analysts hide an important document under another document. Okay, how important document or password can be hide or hidden under a PDF file, under a picture, under a music for protection, so that black hat hackers do not get any hints that a particular picture contains a password. Assuming you work with a particular bank or with an institution, and you being their cybersecurity guy, you have to hide their password within that company. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to show you how it is being done. Okay, good. And this tutorial is only meant for educational purposes. Whatever actions you do with these tutorials are not mine, they are all yours. Okay, good. So let us get on to my desktop. Okay, you see I'm having this password.txt. Okay, assuming it contains the password list of a bank I'm working for. Okay, or let me say it contains the password of an institution or of a school that I'm working for. Okay, good. So I have to hide this password under this picture. Okay, under this picture, which is called logo.jpg. Okay, so that hackers won't find that this picture contains the password of the institution that I'm working for. Okay, and in cybersecurity it is called steganography. Okay, it's called steganography. Is one of the security measures that has to be put in place always. Okay, good. So I'm going to hide a password. Okay, under this picture. Okay, good. So let's get onto uh, our screen. Okay, good. So let me show you the content of the password. Okay, so cat. Okay, password.txt. Good. So let me click on enter. Good. So here is the content of our password.txt. Okay, good. So our password.txt contains these passwords. Okay, monkey 123, monkey at 123. Okay, mango, you see it, account, a whole lot. I just created it to show you how it is being done. Okay, good. I created this password for these tutorials. Okay, good. So let me clear my terminal. And show you how it's been done. Okay, good. So the tool that we are going to use is called stack hide. It's called stack hide. Okay, good. So without wasting my time, let's get onto our screen and let me show you how it is being done. So stack hide. Okay, good. Then you type embed. Okay, embed dash cf. Okay, good. Then we type logo dot jpeg. Okay, good. That means this logo dot jpeg is what we are going to hide the password under it. Okay, then we bring the dash f. Okay, good. So this dash f specifies the kind of uh, uh, data we are going to hide. Okay, so in this case, what are we going to hide? We are going to hide or embed the password. Okay, .txt. Okay, .txt. Okay, then you click on enter. So it has prompted us with the password. Okay, or with the passphrase for us to secure this way. Okay, so I'm going to type DIGADO, my name. Okay, has been done. Okay, so embedding password.txt in logo.jpg. Okay, so this means that we've hidden or we've hide this password.txt in the logo.jpg. Okay, yeah. And for this tutorial sake, let me delete my password.txt. Okay, so here is the password.txt. So let me delete it so that you will see what I'm doing it. Okay, yeah. So remove password.txt. Okay, good. So let me get on to my desktop and show you that it has been removed. Okay, good. So for now it has been removed here. Okay, good. The password.txt isn't here again. I've deleted it. Good. So assuming I want to send the password, okay, to another worker within my company, I can send it. Okay, but this time I'm going to send a picture, not the password.txt. Okay, because if I send a picture, the probability that a hacker won't identify the password is very high. Okay, yes. So in this case, I'm going to send this picture. Okay, the logo.jpg. Okay, meanwhile the password.txt within my company or within the bank that I'm working for are being hidden under this picture. Okay, so even if a hacker gets this picture, he won't know that there are been some important facts that what's been hidden. Okay, good. And even if he get to know that the password within that company has been hidden under this one, the hacker won't get the passphrase or the password, okay, to access the passwords. Okay, good. So assuming I've sent this picture to a worker within that company, okay, good. So how are we going to access the password.txt? Okay, good. So if you want to access the password.txt, what you are going to type, okay, we are going to access it using this same steghide. Okay, good. So let's get onto my screen and let me show you how it is being done. Okay, good. So we are going to type steghide. Sorry guys, steghide. Okay, good. By this time we are going to type extract. Okay, extract. So which picture are we going to extract? We are going to extract the logo.jpg. Okay, yeah, because it is containing the password. We want what? Access the password. So you are going to extract the logo.jpg. So logo.jpg. Okay, sorry guys, jpeg. Okay, good. So sorry, I have to bring this tag dash sf. Okay, good. So here is the command steghide extract. Okay, we are going to extract the logo.jpg. Okay, yeah, steghide extract dash sf. Okay, don't forget about this tag. Okay, good. So let me click on enter. So it's saying that we should enter our password or our password for us to access it. Okay, good. So let me type on it. DIGADO. Good. So we wrote extracted data to password.txt. Okay, good. This tag had to notice that the password.txt was being hidden under this one. So you see it has been given to us at password.txt. Okay, good. So let me get onto my desktop and show you if it's here. Boom, boom. Okay, you see it has arrived. Okay, so in this case I'm going to access it. The co-worker is going to access the content of this one. Okay, so after extracting it with the extracts, okay, good, we are getting the password.txt here. Okay, good. So this is how it is being done. Okay, so let me show you the content once again. Okay, cut the content of the password.txt once again. Okay, good. Boom, 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 we are in. Okay, so this is the content of the password.txt. Okay, good. So guys, this is how it is being done in cybersecurity. For require steganography. Okay, good. DIGADO from DIGADO Technologies. Once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my link for others to uh, get access to us and build a big family with us. I'm out. Thank you.